another thing that I noticed is that depending on which side I'm on, it sounds different on the left side versus on the right. It sounds different, like I can actually hear the motor. Well, I can hear the motor on both sides. Like on the left side, I can hear that it's spinning, but very little. Versus on the right side, I can actually hear the motor a little bit more than on the left. And that motor sounds really good. Excuse me. And also, when it's spinning, I can see it kind of moving a little bit, like side to side, but in a very little way. You can't see that on camera, but I can in person. And also in person, while it's spinning, the trash can is right next to the washer, and it's moving and the trash can is moving with the washer as well. So this machine spins pretty fast and kind of shakes a little bit. I mean, that's normal for top loaders to do that. It's just that's what I see while it's spinning. And even when it's shaking a little bit on the outside, but very little, though the tub, what I can see is that when it's spinning, the tub is kind of going up and down, but very little while spinning, and that's probably what's causing the outside of the machine to kind of move a little bit. But overall, it's in a pretty good balance. I mean, it does this all the time, every time it's spinning, but it's in a good balance. And the reason why it's in good balance is that when the clothes are in the right position, like when it's all against the tub and not just on one side, it will be balanced while it's spinning. That's another reason why it's in good shape, why it's in the balance right now. And another thing is that when it's spinning from the bottom of the washer, I can feel warm air, versus on the top I can kind of feel cold air coming out. That's another thing I noticed while the machine is spinning. And also I can tell that it's been a while since it started spinning now, because it started spinning in part 4 of the last video. And it's probably been it probably spun for like 7 minutes. Now it's been spinning for 18 minutes now, is what I can see. If I'm doing the math correctly, that's probably what I'm assuming. It sounds really good while it's spinning at this speed. And again, if I'm doing the math correctly, it probably spun for like 20 minutes.